Creating a PowerPoint design from scratch is labor-intensive and time-consuming. That's why getting a head start using templates is really valuable for your business. We've gathered a list of premium PowerPoint themes that include titles, timelines, diagrams, infographics, mockups, and more. Everything you could ask for in a template. So here's our countdown for the 10 best premium PowerPoint designs for 2020. All items on this list are available with subscription to Envato Elements. Number 10, RITS Powerpoint by templatehere. This unique, modern template with a strong focus on typography is ideal for business, corporate, portfolio, or brand presentations. The color scheme is simple yet elegant, with a single color highlight present throughout all the slides that adds cohesion and highlights important information. Number 9, Brusher PowerPoint Template by aqrstudio. The Brusher PowerPoint template is made for marketing agencies, photo studios, and audio-visual creators. The brushstroke that functions as a mask on the images gives the template a distinctive look that screams creativity. If you'd like to change the black and white design, the file has 5 color variations available, or you can modify the presentation and add your own color scheme. Number 8, Morbidezza, Winter PowerPoint Template by punkl. This presentation is all about structure. The text blocks and layout make it easy for the viewer to identify the most important pieces of information. Dark and light versions of the presentation are available with the download file to make sure this template works with your brand, product, or desired aesthetic. Number 7, Creative PowerPoint Template by aqrstudio. Creative PowerPoint Template is a multi-purpose presentation for business or personal needs. And while it's aimed at the creative industry, with a few tweaks, you can make use of this presentation for just about anything. The template stays fresh throughout by changing the presentation of the images, the background, and the looks of the titles. Stick with the bold yellow color for the template, or choose one of the 5 pre-made color schemes that come with the template. Number 6, the Xnote PowerPoint Template by Slidehack. Rather than relying heavily on images, the Xnote template is a modern approach to business presentations that focuses on readability. The template includes more than 40 slides for each of the 4 color schemes, and includes device mockups, editable icons, infographics, and image placeholders. A free font is also available with the download, so you don't need to worry about finding one that fits. If you are enjoying our content, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon below to keep up with all the new videos we're creating just for you. Number 5, Enjoy PowerPoint Template by GrizzlyDesign. Here's a premium PowerPoint template suitable for a wide variety of uses. Minimal design lets your message take center stage. The crisp, attractive layout gives this easy-to-use template a professional look and feel. It comes with free fonts and a help guide to get you started quickly and smoothly. Number 4, Inspirational by Levato. Use this template to run your next corporate meeting, make your next sales pitch, or for a personal or educational project. The PowerPoint has a clean, modern design that includes 58 different slides in 4K resolution with infographics, device mockups, and portfolio slides. This template is based on system fonts, so there's no need to download anything extra. Number 3, Untouched Presentation Template by BrandEarth. The Untouched template gives you plenty of slide options, fully editable vector elements, 20 custom color schemes, and multiple aspect ratios are available and ready to use. One of the most versatile templates in this list, it includes all the slide types you'd expect from a premium design, plus timelines, business plans, health and medical graphics, project analysis templates, and much more. Number 2, Passion Presentation by Pixel Vision. The Passion Presentation template boasts a clean, modern design that employs geometrical figures to frame images and separate the different elements on the screen. Ideal for succinct messaging, this template has 120 different slide designs available, so you're sure to find something for your purpose. Number 1, the Elegant by IDsains. The timeless, classic design of this template makes it ideal for corporate and business presentations. The black and gold color combination is both eye-catching and elegant, and will help you get your point across by highlighting your copy. 16 Photoshop mockups, 5 photo backgrounds, and 45 vectors are included in the file, with 94 main slides to choose from. A light color correction on your images to accentuate the shadows will help you achieve the cinematic look you see in these previews. And that's a wrap. That's our countdown of the 10 best premium PowerPoint designs. Which one is your favorite? Share your answers in the comments below and tell us what you want us to round up next. If you enjoyed our countdown, give us a like and hit the subscribe button to stay in the loop. Click the thumbnail on the screen now to stick around for more videos created especially for creatives like you. Until next time.